Good evening, friends. Welcome to Sales Gurukul. Today we will share the common interview questions that are asked in the sales interview. So let's start. Common question that is asked in every interview to put the candidate at ease is, tell me about yourself. This question is put only to put the candidate at ease so that the candidate can answer the question comfortably and be comfortable in the interview. The second question that is asked in the sales interview is, why do you want to join sales? This question is basically aimed at knowing the persona and personality traits of the individual who is appearing for the interview. Whether the candidate has got the skills to ace and succeed in the sales career. And another question that is commonly asked by almost all interviewers is that why do you want to join our company? The purpose of this question is to know whether the candidate knows about the company, whether the candidate has researched the company, whether the candidate knows about the products and services being offered by the company. So any person who is going to appear for the interview in any company, he or she has to search the company well. Another question that is commonly asked is, why do you want to leave your present company? The purpose of this question is to know the real motive of the candidate for career change. Another common question that is asked in every interview is, what are your strengths? Now here again, the person who is interviewing the candidate is trying to know how much the candidate is self-aware of his strengths or of her strengths. And the flip part of this question is, what are your weaknesses? Or tell us about your weaknesses. So here again, the purpose of the question is to check whether the candidate is self-aware of his or her weaknesses. Another common question that is asked in the sales interviews is, why we should hire you? Now this question is aimed at checking the confidence and the self-belief of the candidate. Whether the candidate has got self-faith, self-belief or self-confidence. Then other question that is asked is, what is the role of dash? Dash means the vacancy or the post for which the candidate is appearing for the interview. If the candidate is appearing for the interview of a sales officer, then the question will be, what is the role of a sales officer? Or if the candidate is appearing for the interview of a sales manager, then the question will be, what is the role of a sales manager? So this question is again aimed at knowing whether the candidate is aware of the role and responsibilities of the post for which he or she is being interviewed for. Now the question related to this question is, what are the challenges to perform the role of dash? Here again, the question will be like, what are the challenges of performing the role of a sales officer, or what are the challenges for performing the role of an area sales manager? The purpose of this question is to know whether the candidate is aware of the problems or challenges that he or she will face while performing, because if a person is aware of the problems and challenges that one faces while executing one's job responsibilities, then it is expected that the person will be aware of the solutions to those problems and challenges. Other question again related to sales field is, how do you achieve targets? Other question is, how do you appoint a distributor? Still other question is, what challenges do you face while controlling your team? Now this question is asked only for the managers, means the persons who will lead a team. So here again, the interviewer is trying to know whether the person being interviewed for is aware of team management skills, whether he or she is aware of the personal dynamics or group dynamics of leading a team. Other question is, what mistakes have you committed so far in your sales career? Here the purpose of the interviewer is to know the character and the integrity of the person. So friends, these were the common questions which are asked by most Indian companies as promised. So thank you very much. If you like our videos, then please share it with your friends and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. All the best.